Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to math today. Go ahead and write your name at the top of your paper. And we're going to do some more counting. Because this is the last day of counting this week, I want you to be able to count by yourself and see if you can match the same number as me. If you don't match the same number as me, that's okay. So you're going to have to push pause and be honest. Don't just keep the video playing so that you can know the answer. If you don't try, then you don't learn. So you're going to try your very best, and then you're going to push pause and match your answer with mine. So I want you to count the pens. You're going to push pause, count the pens, and match your answer with mine. So go ahead and push pause. Okay, so what number did you come up with? I got 13. How does that match with you? Did you get 13? Okay. Good job, boys and girls. Even if you didn't get 13, at least you tried. Okay. Now, you're going to push pause and count the hats. Push play when you're finished. Okay, when you counted the hats, how many did you count? I counted 21. Okay. And if you made a mistake, not a problem. Just erase the number and write it on the paper. Next, I would like you to count the beans. Go ahead and push pause and count the beans. Okay, that was a lot. So if your number is different from mine, that's okay. I just want you to try. I counted 44. Okay, so if you got different from me, then go ahead and erase it and fix it. No problem. Okay, count the forks. So push pause and count the forks. All right, what number did you come up with? I counted 16. So check your answer with mine. And you guys are doing great. You're doing a great, great job. Okay, the nails is going to be a bit tricky. So I want you to just try your best. And if your number is different from mine, that's okay. So push pause and count the nails. That one was really, really hard. So even if you get close to me, that's okay. I just want you to try. The nails was probably your hardest one. I counted 52. But if you were close to my number, that's okay too. I just want you to just try and see how close you can get. Okay. All right, last one. I want you to push pause and count the skateboards. All right, when you counted the skateboards, what number did you get? I counted 36 skateboards. So, nice job. That was really hard stuff, and you guys did great work. Okay, turn it around the back, and we're going to do the same thing that we did with our 10 frames, but I want to see if you can tell me the number. So look at the first one. What number is that? It's 4. Look at the next 10 frame. When the 10 frame is completely full, what number is that? It's 10. Good job. Look at the next number. When it has the top row plus one more, that's going to be 6. Look at the next one. What number is that? 3. Look at the next 10 frame. What is that one? 5. Good. The next one has all but 1. What is that one? 9. The next one only has how many? It's 2. Look at the next 10 frame. It has 5 on top and 3 on the bottom. So 5 plus 3 is what? 8. And the next one is super easy because it only has 1 dot. So the answer is 1. And the last one has 5 on top, 2 on the bottom. So if it has 5 and then 2 more, the answer is 7. All right, good job doing 10 frames and counting this week, boys and girls. Great, great work. Go ahead and turn this into your teacher.